The 200 lira coin from 1979 is a notable piece of Italy's numismatic history, representing a period of economic transition and industrial growth during the late 20th century. Issued by the Italian Republic, the coin reflects the cultural and economic identity of the nation prior to the adoption of the euro in 2002. Here is a detailed history and an analysis of its value. History 1. Introduction and purpose. The 200 lira coin was first introduced in 1977 as part of a broader attempt to modernize Italy's coinage system and facilitate transactions during a time of economic growth. The coin, including the 1979 version, was intended for daily use and circulated widely across the country. Its compact design and lightweight material made it convenient for regular transactions. Though design elements, the 1979 200 lira coin features distinct artistic and symbolic elements. Obverse. The obverse side of the coin displays the bust of a female figure wearing a laurel wreath, symbolizing wisdom, victory, and honor. This allegorical figure represents the Italian Republic, showcasing the country's dedication to its classical roots and democratic ideals. The laurel wreath also highlights Italy's cultural connection to ancient Rome. Reverse. On the reverse side, the coin depicts a cogwheel encircling the denomination L200 and the year of minting, 1979. The cogwheel symbolizes industrial progress and the vital role of industry in Italy's post-war economic recovery. The design captures the essence of a nation striving for modernization and technological advancement. Theme. Material and specifications. The coin is made of bronzite, an alloy of aluminum and bronze, which gives it a golden appearance while ensuring durability and lightweight characteristics. It weighs 5 grams, has a diameter of 24 millimeters, and features a smooth edge. The choice of